In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to create a new campaign in Traffic Zest for getting instant traffic to your links. First, click the Add New Campaign button. Enter a campaign name and paste the link you'd like to send traffic to. Below these basic settings, you have a few campaign options. If you don't want to get traffic immediately after creating your campaign, you can schedule when you want to start it. You also have the ability to schedule a completion date for this campaign. That's very useful when you're promoting a time-limited product launch, for example. Let's let it run indefinitely for now. I'll then show you another way to control when to stop this campaign. But first, let's look at the targeting options. This is how you can laser control the traffic you're getting. Not only can you define what kind of traffic you want to send to your link, you can also define what kind of traffic you do not want to receive. In these targeting settings, there is only the vertical, also known as niche or market, that is mandatory. All the other settings are optional. Next, we introduce the traffic providers. These are selected based on who you prefer to receive traffic from. During the beta phase, the vendor options might be limited, but rest assured, the list will expand rapidly. Eventually, you will have the opportunity to receive traffic from individuals outside the solo ad world, such as influencers who sell clicks from their bio links or YouTubers who sell clicks from their video descriptions. If you leave that field empty, you'll get traffic from all providers. Then, we have location targeting. This allows you to specify the countries from which your campaign will receive traffic. While many affiliates primarily target US traffic, I've found a significant portion of my revenue comes from what are often referred to as Tier 2 or Tier 3 countries. Ultimately, it all comes down to your funnel. It's typically beneficial to allow data analysis to guide your strategy before limiting your campaign solely to Tier 1 traffic. Next, we have device type targeting. For most campaigns, it's likely beneficial to leave this selection open in order to accept traffic from all device types. Lastly, we have traffic tags. These tags are designated by the traffic providers and inform you about the source of each click they direct towards your campaign links. This system enables you to conveniently target exclusively email clicks, funnel clicks, Facebook ad clicks, etc., so that you can laser target whatever the traffic providers make available to you. Next, I'd like to direct your attention to the campaign summary located on the right side of the screen. This summary displays the range of daily clicks you can obtain, as well as the price per click, all based on your specific targeting settings. These insights are dynamically updated in real time as you refine your selections. This also factors in your blocked traffic, also referred to as blacklisted segments. Next, we have the budget settings. Here you can specify the maximum amount you're willing to pay for a click. However, please be aware that if you set this to an amount lower than what is displayed in the campaign summary, you'll only receive a portion of the available traffic that matches your targeting. You might also entirely miss out on some of the traffic segments you have selected. Here, you can also set a total budget for the campaign. Once this amount is reached, the campaign will automatically stop. Additionally, you can specify a daily spending limit to ensure that your total budget isn't depleted in a single day. When setting a daily budget, you have two options for how the funds are spent. If you select the accelerated setting, your daily budget will be spent as quickly as incoming clicks allow. Alternatively, if you opt for smooth, your budget will be distributed evenly from midnight to midnight the following day, ensuring a steady stream of traffic throughout the day. Now that we've covered the campaign settings, I'd like to guide you on how to analyze your statistics. This knowledge will help you optimize your campaign to receive more of the high-performing traffic and reduce the non-productive kind. Firstly, if you're using a tracking software such as Opt-in-Dojo, you can forward the traffic segment data directly to your tracker for convenient data analysis. This can be accomplished by using these dynamic tokens here and incorporating them into your tracking link. When you're ready, simply click the Save button. But remember, if you want traffic to start flowing immediately, make sure to remove any scheduling first. Let's discard this campaign for now. If you're not using an external tracking software, you can analyze your statistics directly within Traffic Zest. The Traffic Providers tab presents the statistics for each traffic provider. Here, you can see how many clicks they have sent your way and at what average cost per click. We will soon be adding conversion pixels so that you can also track the performance, such as the opt-in rate, of each provider and traffic segment right within Traffic Zest. Next, you can assess the performance of each placement. A traffic provider may send traffic from multiple sources or placements. For instance, with email clicks, 2 different placements could represent 2 distinct email lists. Both would be tagged as email clicks, but their performance could vary based on how these lists were built. Next, You can examine the performance of each traffic tag, which again displays basic metrics to help you optimize your campaigns. Note that the same actions can be carried out across all tabs, such as sorting by specific columns or, more significantly, blacklisting specific segments to stop receiving that kind of traffic. To unblacklist a segment, simply uncheck it. If you'd like to create a new campaign with the same settings as an existing one, just click the clone button. Change the campaign name, activate it, and save. But let's discard this one for now. Let me now draw your attention to these small colored circles to the left of your campaign names. They indicate the status of your campaigns, whether they are running, paused, have exhausted their budget, or if you don't have sufficient funds to run them. You can see your current fund balance at the top right of the screen. To add more funds to your account, simply click on this Add Funds button here. Select your payment method, then enter your top-up amount and proceed with your payment. The funds will be credited to your account and your campaigns will start running. I hope you found this tour informative. If you have any question about Traffic Zest, please do let us know. I'm confident that you'll receive high-quality traffic from the platform. Enjoy your journey with Traffic Zest.